Alright guys, this is how we tackled assembling the tracks for our tank. These frets contain all the links you need. Now these are pretty simply put together. These lay on top of each other and we'll show you that part. But what we did is we cut out usually a fret at a time, but this time right now we'll just do a few. And what we like to do is take a little container and let these things drop, cut them and throw them in there. We found that if you do a batch at a time, it makes it a lot more enjoyable than one at a time. Now, we'll throw that off the side. And then what we would do after that would be, right here, just dump these out on the bench, put the jar back in front, grab a track, and clean up an edge. Now, experience shows us that the other side, not so important you get them cleaned up. They're kind of covered into the track anyway, so not a big deal. But anyway, just like so, using a file, clean that edge up. We'll do one more here. Clean that edge up. Drop her in. Get these out of the way. Now, like I said, we would do, in this case, we would do 32 of these at a time. Clean them, dump them, and away we'd go. So, important tool is the tweezers. That to me an extra thin. And you see here, kind of worn here, but if we move this down a little bit, you'll notice we've got perfect straight lines. What we would do is, as we were building, we would use that as a guide. Now this one does, you can see, does go a little snaky, but not the end of the world. You kind of can correct that when it's on the tank itself. But what we do, dump these out again. A lot of dumping stuff out. Set up the first track, like so. Then crack the timi in, extra thin. Get a little, I'm gonna do this right-handed. Get a little dab of glue down into that section right there. That's where the tracks are going to meet. With your tweezers, pick the piece up. Oh, dropping it again. Oh, flip over. There we go. And drop it in said position. Voila. And repeat. A little bit of glue. Pick up the track. Drop her into position. And align. There we go. This is well designed. It almost clicks itself in. Now the key here is just a little dab of glue, because once you're together and they're painted and everything, you want to be able to manipulate the track around your load wheels, around your drive sprocket and idlers with ease and not having to fight solid glue joints. And there we go. That's what she starts with, and when you're all done after 102, this is what you get. Now you see, this is quite workable. Now, it'll take some jigging to get this molded to conform to where you want it, but you see we are pliable, we are workable. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed her. Adios.